All right, team. Dr. Tyler is going to demonstrate what a fire hydrant looks like for us. This is a great exercise for working your core stability and control of keeping your spine neutral, and then also working the hip abductors and differentiating hip internal and external rotation from lumbar and pelvic rotation. So he's set up in this all fours position, hands directly under his shoulders and knees directly under his hips, and then he's got his spine nice and neutral here so he doesn't have it super rounded and arched or in super extension where he's dropping his stomach towards the floor. So the first thing he's going to do is brace that core nice and tight by taking that deep breath in and then contracting his abdominal muscles. And then from there, he's just going to lift his leg out to the side. As you lift the leg out to the side, you want to think about bringing the knee slightly back. That's going to help you work these hip abductor muscles. Whereas if he were to bring his knee up towards his chest as he was lifting it, that's going to work your hip flexors more, right? So you want to keep that in mind. And then the other key thing is that as Tyler lifts his knee out to the side, he's going to keep his hips level. Show us what it looks like if you rotate the hips. Great. So you see that lumbar and hip pelvic rotation that's going on there. You want to avoid that. You want to use your core to keep that nice hip and lumbar control, and just make sure that you're controlling the leg from the hip muscles. All right, great. Thanks for watching. With that, you could do something like 10 repetitions on each side, and you could do 2 to 3 sets with a 1 to 2 minute rest in between, or as prescribed by our team when you come in and see us. Thanks.